welcome back! That dude still rocks! What about you? I hope you enjoy and learn something from part 1 of this tutorial. Continue practicing those open major chords. Let's review them. D major, A major, E major, C major, and G major. Let's move on to open minor chords. With the left hand's corresponding finger numbers, let's play E minor. Alright, that's an easy chord, right? Let's play A minor. Let's play D minor. Visit us at ropemusiclessons.com. Feel free to write your comments or any questions or suggestions so that we can provide you with more helpful tutorials. See you in the next lesson!